Hello po. Happy birthday, Ate Jeannie.
Hello, Tol. Happy birthday.
Hi, Jenny. Happy
This song is
birthday.
dedicated to you from the TOB family.
Happy birthday. Pasensya na, madilim yung kwarto.
Sana maging matatag ka rin, katulad ko.
Talaga lang.
Happy birthday, ate.
Happy
I
birthday.
can't remember when we were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear, I went through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we miss. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest things I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. Happy birthday, Tol!
Birthday, ate.
I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years. Happy birthday, Tol! Through the years, never been withdrawn. Together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned our love's about by loving you through the years.
Happy birthday. More years to come. Get blessed always.
Happy birthday po.
Sana marami pang birthday ang matatanggap sa buhay. Salamat sa pagiging friendship. Salamat sa pagiging totoong kaibigan.
Happy birthday.
Love you, loves.
Love you.
Ikaw na, loves. Ikaw na talaga.
You never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years.
Happy
Thank
birthday
you.
po. Happy.
Salamat nga po pala sa
Happy
mga
birthday.
prizes na binigay mo sa amin.
Thank you very much sa prizes.
Prices talaga mo.
Prizes na pang birthday sa mga kagrupo. Marami pong salamat
Happy birthday ulit.
sa tuloy-tuloy lang po ang pag-support sa ating grupo. God bless po and your all
God bless
family.
you.